how's it going on a happy hump day? Welcome to Chillaboo Revolution, episode number 27, Monkey Business. And that is what's going on in the world of licensed producers. There's much monkey business afoot. Well, hey, you know how that you're allowed to have those 4 legal plants? You have to source them though from legal genetics from your LP, whether it be seed, which as we know is not currently available in Canada, so you don't have any access to licit seeds to cultivate your plants, or you can get clones from the licensed producers when they have them available. Now, I haven't heard of anybody except for one specific licensed producer, and I'll drop that information in a bit, but it seems that there's some tomfoolery afoot, because here we are, 3 weeks into the legalization of cannabis, that farce of the government taking over and become the nation's drug dealer. Hey, Justin, you mind if I get an eighth? Oh, that's only like 55 bucks. All right, man. Just mail it to me. I'll send you the money. So that's how it works now. Or if you're lucky enough to live somewhere where you can go to a brick and mortar and have some of their fine overpackaged products. I wouldn't know. I haven't tried any of the current legal cannabis before, but I have had the benefit, thanks to Making Clouds with Mudflap, to enjoying some of Aurora's finest that they've had to offer over the years, and I can say, quite honestly, I've not been impressed. So, the only thing that I could add to this is the fact that all those folks that are out there, and they're like, just boom bah, cheerleading the whole concept of legalization, or this guy's got good stuff, or this company's got good stuff. All of these big names, how come they're not out there pushing a certain, hey guys, you should try fucking the OG Kush from so-and-so because it's fucking mind-blowing. We squeeze it, we rosin it, we get so much return, it's amazing. You're not seeing that. What you're seeing is underweight, overpackaged, unsatisfied, flash fucking dried, no cure, chemically E-rated shit Kmart cannabis. Alright, I said I was going to drop some information about where you can get legal clones. But before we do that, we are going to enjoy a test drive of our headbanger that is in cure. Alright, hope the day's treating you all well, eh? Woo, baby! Terp sandwiches. I gotta say, we were the recipient of some mail from our good friends back in Ontario in the Strathroy area. Big Monkey and Special K. Wow. So, I'm going to throw in a clip talking about some of these clones that you can get. So, get ready to jot down that number, call them up, get them on order. I think it takes about 30 days for you to get your clones. Then after that, I'll drop in this fantastic gifting clip that came from our dear friends Making Clouds of Mudflap and Special K. I'll see you for another Evo Rip in a few minutes. Hey, it's got a face on it.
It does. It's got a face on it, and it's got another face on it.
Jigsaw puzzles, probably. There's a card.
There is a card. Oh, the card first. Ooh, a nice card.
Oh, one of Karen's cards. Those are the best cards.
A friend loves at all times. Love Del and Karen. Del. Making something specifically for someone takes not only time and effort. You think of the recipient throughout the entire project. There is a lot of love in these blanket. In this blanket.
Oh, no
Enjoy.
way. What's that?
That's for you.
Okay, I will.
Nice.
Yes. Cool.
That right there.
Squirts in it like a dirty shirt.
I knew there was a top one in there.
Ooh, let's see. Where's that van? Where is that? What's the city?
It almost looks like Vancouver, doesn't it?
It does.
It is Vancouver.
It is. Well, that's about as close as we need to get to Vancouver. Thank you.
It is, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, no, no cats.
Oh, it is a cat trap.
Feel it. It's a cat trap.
Oh, that's like that Chanel stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, look in the middle. I saw it. I fucking knew it. Oh. Well. What do we have here? Oh no. Oh no. Holy crap, yeah.
Wow.
Half pounder.
Holy, this blanket.
Half pound. I thought they were only quarter pound. This must be the new one. Look at that tag. Look at the tag in the corner. I can't make this too long.
Oh, sorry.
Hang on.
Okay.
What'd it say?
Homemade with love by Karen.
Awesome. There's another tag too. Open once contents revealed. It's a little card here. Created by Karen. His name is Murray the monkey. He's yours the second he started making them all. Thank you so very, very much. I don't know if this video is going to be big enough to send to you.
Thank you so much. This blanket is just amazing.
Murray the monkey. Ha ha ha. Murray. Hey.
Monkey looks jealous.
So I must say the time and consideration and the thoughtfulness that went into that gesture on their part, I don't know, it speaks volumes to our hearts, and you know, we cannot express an appropriate appreciation to the time and the love and the consideration that went into those. So thank you again from our hearts. Karen, Del, thank you so very much. I know that we told you that on the phone, but what the fuck? Now everybody knows. We love you. Oh! I'll be right back, guys. No, Bull of Arms. So hey, this is Monkey. Welcome to Chili Revolution. This is episode 27. Monkey business. So you know me. I'm Rainbow Sock Monkey, star of the show. You know, Chili Boo's right hand man, and evidently, this is what's your name again? My name is Murray. So this is Murray the monkey, Mo, Maurice, whatever. He's new co-host, apparently. I'm a bonobo. But you're a homo. No. I'm a bonobo. 98.7% the same as Chili, whereas you are just a primate. So it's gonna be like that, eh? Murray, Maurice, Mo. What you don't understand, Monkey, is let's just play the clip.
I don't need to see.
The fuck? What the fuck?
Wat is sneu?
Are you telling me that you eat monkeys? Why, yes, monkey. We've been known to feast on bothersome creatures such as yourself. Is that why you're wearing an earring? Are you a pirate? I understand. I was informed this is how it should go. Don't mess with me, monkey. I don't think you understand, Maurice. Murray. You don't want to mess with me. It's what you don't understand, Mo. What you don't understand about me is I've been around since the 90s. Shirley Boo digs me, and I'll cut you. Don't mess with me, Mo. Now that you've expressed yourself that way, monkey, I understand. Maybe we can work together. Just roll the goddamn clips.
Yeah, right.
Well, if you're making $34,000 a year, you look at people that make $100,000, like, damn, I can
Yeah.
pay all my fucking bills. How do you get to that $100,000 level? Well, you got to sell out, son.
Yeah, but
I'm too smart for you. And as an American, I've come to the conclusion that this system no longer helps me, but in fact has an adverse effect on my constitution. I just wanted to let you know that before I go and do what I have to do.
Just pee in the cup.
So, hey, Mari, have you, driven the Jeep yet? Because I used to drive Jeep all the time, and it's broke now. I didn't break it, though. I was just driving around, you know, getting some donuts and, you know, just doing some monkey business with it. No, monkey, I've not driven the Jeep, because obviously it's broken, and you broke it. But, have you driven the Yeti? No, they haven't let me drive the Yeti yet. We were going to go get some wood, but yeah, I had some other stuff to do. Why? You haven't driven the Yeti, have you? No, I haven't driven it, but I've been for a ride. They picked me up in it. It's a lovely, lovely truck. So, do you think you and I will ever be able to get along? I don't know. You don't support LPs, do you? Why, no. You like cannabis? Everyone likes cannabis. Yes, monkey, I like cannabis. I really like cannabis. Well, you never know. You're big old monkey. Look at the size of you, eh? You're like 1.5 times taller than I am, and looks like you might work out a bit. It's all about the yoga monkey. Yoga monkey, all right, yoga monkey. That could be a video. All right. Hey, Top Gun shit. Play the clips. So it's Friday. Prime Minister is over in that direction. Last few days we've had some CF-18s flying over the Chilcotin area. Maybe they're looking for bad guys. Keeping the airspace safe while the Prime Minister is screwing folks over. But yeah, that was quite fucking loud. I was in the house and came out and I was actually able to get my eyeballs on it. I don't know if you guys are able to see it on that video clip. I do know, and again we'll look to the south, tip of Vancouver Island, that way, you know, whatever. There is Canadian Forces Base is Comox up there. They've got some planes. They like to come and fly over the water, and they come and fly over the skies over here sometimes. And if we look to the north and then slightly to the east, I can't remember the name of it in Alberta, CFP Red Deer maybe, they also come and play. Not sure if the mic is picking it up. We got the planes doing their thing. Obviously it's kind of fucked because the way the sound travels out here is it's kind of goofy. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Still got the moon happening right up there. It's a little sliver. thing doesn't want to focus right now, does it? Something's going on. There's something happening here. What it is perfectly clear. There's a man with a gun in his hand. Hi, Sativa. Let's get high. Let's get high. That's insane how low he is. Here's the other guy. Now, talk about low, eh? Holy fuck. This is what it was like the other day when I got that clip, but I missed them, but these guys are just flying really fucking low out here. Oh yeah, I'm just editing a bit of a video together. What the fuck is going on here? Monkey, Murray. I'm gonna have to let you go, man. What you boys been up to?
Suckers are praying with corpses to the marching drum.
Alright, looks like we got away with that, eh, Murray? Yes, Monkey, it looks like we did. Give me a high five. Monkey, how come you have no thumbs?
I'm flying low on silver bombers under the heat from